Ulefone Armor 6. The primary operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo, which surely is able to update to the latest software. The user interface is free. Furthermore, the hardware starts with MediaTek Helio P60MT6771 SoC chipset. Ulefone Armor 6 smartphone. The processing technology is 12nm. The CPU is Octa-core 2.0 GHz 8 cores. But the Ulefone Armor 6 makes use of 64-bit architecture. Finally, the GPU for graphics is our Mali G72MP33 cores. Ulefone Armor 6 boasts of 6GB of RAM, which is not expandable. In opposition to that, the internal storage, which is 128GB, is able to expand up to 256GB with the help of a microSD card. Features at Ulefone Armor 6 camera department are not bad at all. There are two cameras to the rear. One of them is 21 megapixel and the other is 13 megapixel, with dual LED flash. These are capable of producing above average quality of pictures.
Mm-hmm.